Hello viewers. Today we are at DLF Privana, a new address that is getting created by the DLF. An address which is of 116 acres of the land parcel where the only high-rises are coming up. It's been divided into 6 phases. First 2 phases, Privana South and Privana West, been launched and the construction is in full swing. Very soon the third phase will be unveiled. Overall, next 2 more phases will come up. This location is not only about the residential, about the 116 acres of the Privana development. It is more about the ecosystem that DLF is creating here. It's like of 450 plus acres of the development which DLF have already planned out of which few of the things are already been delivered, as in like DLF Alameda, 100 plus acres of the residential township which been delivered, which is a plotted development by the DLF only. DLF Corporate Greens and Amex Campus, which is 20 plus acres of the development, a commercial place, office building which is in operations. They have planned out to come up with 125 acres of the DLF Cyber City, which will be having a DLF Mall of Asia too. Then they have 55 acres of the dedicated SEZ zone. Prominently, this location is more known as it have a good blend of the nature and the urban development. Nature, if we talk about, it is just next to the Aravalli ranges, which is of like 1,000 plus acres of the land parcel where the complete Aravalli ranges are. So, after the Golf Course Road, this will be the another luxury destination which DLF is developing. A place where you should look and you should admire to live in. It will be having a 50 plus acres of the activity areas where they will be developing the golf, the nature walkways, and they will be coming up with a commercial center which will be a luxury shopping destination for you, the people who are staying in the Privana itself. So Privana have very prominent connectivity. If we see, it's like 2 minutes drive to the National Highway, 2 minutes drive to the Dwarka Expressway, and it's well connected. In 2 minutes you reach to the Southern Periphery Road, which leads to the Extension Road and then to the golf course. So if you are willing to travel to the airport, so it takes around 15 to 20 minutes via Dwarka Expressway. If you're wishing to reach to the Central Delhi via National Highway, you are there in next like of half an hour drive. Then to the South Delhi, if we talk about, via Southern Periphery through Extension, you reach to the golf course and that leads to the South Delhi as well. A property where I would suggest to you to have a look and invest. Let's meet for this and do change the residential address of yours.